Back again, once again in Playa del Carmen at the resort in Mexico. You got some fly shit. Got the bar right there. You got some big ass pool. It's like a damn maze. Really. We got the beaches back there. And we got my drink right there. And I'm just hanging out here with my people for a couple days. Back there we got the Mayan place, restaurant, and it's like a convention center and everything. And everybody's having a good time, man. It's my last day here, so I'm getting ready to get back to Atlanta tomorrow, which is Sunday. And you know, I work hard, play hard. So, till next time, peace.